Welcome to our gardening channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of warm season vegetables, perfect for planting here in Florida during the month of May. If you're ready to get your hands dirty and enjoy a fruitful harvest, you're in the right place. Let's explore what you can plant and how to ensure success in the Florida climate. Why May is ideal for planting. May is a fantastic time to start your warm season vegetable garden in Florida. The days are getting longer, the temperatures are warming up nicely, and the risk of frost is behind us. This means our plants will have plenty of sunlight and warmth to thrive. Plus, by planting now, you'll have veggies ready to enjoy during the summer months. It's all about working with nature's rhythm, choosing the right vegetables. Now, let's talk about the stars of our warm season garden: tomatoes, peppers, eggplant, okra, and sweet potatoes. These veggies love the Florida heat and can produce an abundant harvest if given the right care. Remember, choosing the right varieties is key. Look for heat-tolerant and disease-resistant types that are well-suited to our Florida climate. This will set you up for success right from the start. Preparing your garden bed. Before we get planting, let's prepare our garden bed. Start by selecting a sunny spot in your yard that receives at least 6-8 hours of sunlight daily. Clear the area of any weeds or debris and loosen the soil to a depth of about 8 to 12 inches. You can mix in some compost or organic matter to improve soil fertility and drainage. Good soil is the foundation of a healthy garden. Planting tomatoes. Tomatoes are a favorite among gardeners, and they thrive in Florida's warm weather. Choose varieties like Florida 91 or Celebrity that perform well in our climate. Dig a hole for each plant, about 2 feet apart, and plant them slightly deeper than they were in their pots. This encourages strong root growth. Stake or cage your tomatoes to support them as they grow taller. Growing peppers. Peppers come in a rainbow of colors and flavors, from sweet to spicy. Plant your pepper seedlings 18-24 inches apart in well-draining soil. Varieties like Cubanelle or Corno di Toro are excellent choices for Florida gardens. Peppers love warmth, so keep them watered and watch them thrive throughout the season. Cultivating eggplant. Eggplants are another heat-loving crop perfect for our gardens. Choose compact varieties like Florida Market or Black Beauty for best results. Space your eggplants about 2 feet apart and provide them with consistent moisture. Mulching around the plants will help retain soil moisture and keep weeds at bay. Planting okra. Okra is a staple in Southern cuisine and grows exceptionally well in Florida's heat. Plant okra seeds or seedlings about 12-18 inches apart in fertile soil. Varieties like Clemson Spineless are popular choices. Harvest your okra regularly to encourage continued production throughout the season. Thriving with sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are not only delicious, but also easy to grow. Plant sweet potato slips in loose, well-drained soil spaced about 12 inches apart. Keep the soil consistently moist, especially during the first few weeks after planting. As the vines spread, they will help smother weeds and cover the ground. Now that your warm season vegetables are in the ground, it's time to care for them, especially during dry spells, and mulch around your plants to conserve moisture and suppress weeds. Monitor for pests and diseases, and take action promptly if needed. A little attention goes a long way in ensuring a successful harvest. As your vegetables mature, enjoy the excitement of harvest time. Pick your tomatoes when they are firm and fully colored. Harvest peppers when they reach their mature size and color. Eggplants are best when they are glossy and firm. Okra pods should be picked when they are 2-3 inches long. And sweet potatoes are ready to harvest when the leaves start to yellow. Congratulations on planting your warm season vegetable garden. With a little effort and a lot of sunshine, you'll soon be enjoying the taste of fresh, homegrown produce. Remember, gardening is a journey, so keep learning and experimenting. Stay tuned for more tips and inspiration from our channel. Happy gardening!